go outside? Are we ready? Let's go.
Fred Rogers says that play is often thought about as a relief from serious learning, but actually for children, play is serious learning. Play is the work of a child. The outdoor space, the children have the opportunity to not only develop their intellectual skills, but their physical skills. They have a place to be loud and rowdy, which often we limit in the indoor space. And so the outdoor space really brings to life sort of all of the characteristics of a child. And it gives them the opportunity to explore with their peers and to experience nature.
What we know is that children spend much of their time within an early care and education classroom surrounded by the same four walls. So these opportunities to come outside in an environment that's dynamic and always changing really gives them a boost to their overall learning as well.
Children need access to safe and engaging outdoor spaces because their bodies are growing. That ability to run and to jump and to experience that big body play makes a big difference in their development. You solve interesting problems when you're outside that are very different than what it looks like in the classroom. The outdoor space allows children to gain control over their bodies, to explore sort of the spatial relationships of how they relate to the world around them as well.
We're sitting here today at the Lilly Family Center, which is a real gem of the Mid-North community. We have been operating early learning services in this community for more than half a century. We are an essential part of the community that we serve and help to give this neighborhood a sense of place. We are thrilled to freshen up the space at the Lilly Family Center for children to play outdoors, and we're going to do that by bringing in some additional equipment while maintaining the really natural setting that has been the hallmark of what's made this center so wonderful.
One of the exciting things that will happen is that we'll have a new dedicated infant space. The equipment that we've selected is really adaptive to the play.
You know, we all have a role to play in maintaining the spaces that we really value in our neighborhood. Rebuilding this outdoor playground is one really essential way of making sure this community still has this asset into the future.
Bringing this play space to life for the children here in the Lilly Family Center means that they are going to have learning opportunities that don't currently exist to them. Supporting this playground project is an excellent way to support the next generation of Hoosiers.
On behalf of the children and families of the community we serve here at Lilly Family Center, I just want to thank you for your support of our playground project.